Good morning, guys. It's time for ninth and 10th grade career education, and I'm Miss Lively. Today, we're going to continue to talk about learning about the career plan. What is a career plan? So glad you asked. It's basically like a map that shows you a way that you can achieve your career goal. You can use it to identify your skills and interests, find a career or career cluster that suits your skills and interests, and determine the type of education or training you may need to succeed. Remember, there are 16 career clusters, and not everybody fits into one. You may think that maybe you fit better into the education and training career cluster more than you would fit into the business management career cluster. No worries, most people don't always fit into one box. Steps to planning a career. First, you're going to assess your interests, skills, values, and abilities. For instance, what are your talents and interests? What do you value? What rewards do you want from a career that you're going to pursue? Number two, research the bigger picture. Which job areas are the fastest growing in your area? What kind of education and training will workers need for these jobs? Is it available to you? Number three, explore career options. What types of careers are there? What are the requirements for different careers? What are the day-to-day responsibilities? Number four, create a career plan. What are your career goals? How you get the education and training you need to achieve these goals? How long will it take? Number five, get hired. Are you employable? Are there opportunities for you to work right now that might build your skills and provide you with valuable experience until you get the career that you're searching for? Number six, be successful. Do you have the skills you need to keep up with your work responsibilities? Do you have personal qualities other people admire and respect? What do they say about your character? Do you know how to make decisions, set goals, and solve problems? And last but not least, number seven, continue planning. Are you satisfied in your current position? Are there new goals you might want to achieve? How can you continue to grow and develop new skills and experiences? So, what do I need to include in my career plan, Miss Lively? Well, here you go. First, you need a list of your skills, interests, and abilities. And these are things that we've been talking about all year of getting to know you, what you like to do, and basically your talents. Next, you need an inventory of careers or career clusters that match personal skills and interests and abilities. Those you get through various transition assessments that we have been through. Next, you need to have an academic plan that matches the career or career cluster selected. For instance, if you want to teach art, then you need to make sure that you take some art classes along the way. Then you're going to have a prediction of the outcome of selected career or career cluster. So out of those 16, maybe you narrow it down to, just two. And lastly, you'll have to make a list of what financial responsibilities will be needed to achieve this goal. If you go to college, how do you plan to pay for it? Maybe through scholarships, maybe through help of others or student loans. Either way, a career plan helps you be more successful for your future by planning ahead. Here comes the fun part. Assignment part 1. Create a Word document that illustrates the 7 steps for career planning mentioned on slide 4. You can list them and maybe include an emoji next to them or a picture. Be creative. Maybe you want to create a flyer with the 7 steps, or even a poster where it's a big picture and the steps are listed. However way, it's totally up to you. But make sure you email me your assignment so it'll count. Part 2. Be sure to pick a career that you think you will enjoy. Now, I will tell you that there are some adults that find themselves in careers that they don't particularly like. Why is that? In a paragraph, give reasons why someone may work in a career that they might not enjoy. I'll give you a hint. Maybe it's closer to home and they have transportation issues. But that's only one. A paragraph must be 5 to 6 sentences. With these assignments, please make sure that you email them to me and they'll be due by Thursday so that you can get credit. If you have any questions, you can locate me in Teams or my email. All right, guys, that's it for today. So until next time, have fun.